Jedna od najvećih atrakcija ostrva Madeira i glavnog grada Funchala je Muzej Kristijana Ronalda, koji se nalazi na samoj obali. Na ulazu su fotografije od mlađih dana pa sve do najnovijih, kada je već postao jedan od najboljih fudbalera u istoriji. Naziv muzeja je CR7 po inicijalima i broju koju nosi na dresu, a mene dočekuje gospodin Nuno Mendes, jedan od glavnih ljudi u muzeju.
Well, this museum belongs to Ronaldo's brother. It's a family business, and we are open for 10 years, and more than 900,000 people have come here. We have here more than 200 trophies. So the trophies that Ronaldo won as a personal award, like the Ballon d'Ors, the Golden Boots, they are all genuine. They are all original. And the trophies that Ronaldo won for the teams, like the Premier League, the Champions League, he asked to make a copy. So we have everything here since his first trophy till the last trophy, which is amazing.
Super. And he is born in Funchal or at some other place?
Yes, he was born in Funchal. That's why the museum is here. He was born in Funchal, the capital, in Sant Antonio. It's a small village which belongs to Funchal, the capital. And he started to play football here for 2 local teams. And he left Madeira Island at 12. He went to Sporting from 12 to 18, and after, you know the story, Man United. But that's why the museum is here, because he is very proud of being Madeiran. And it's one of the best places to visit here in Madeira.
So this is a chocolate figure, is it?
Yes, it's a statue made of chocolates, more than 100 kilos of chocolates, and it was made by a Portuguese man who works in Switzerland, the country of chocolates. So, and it was a gift, and Ronaldo himself, he really enjoyed to see Ronaldo in chocolate.
Great thing, he's very sweet.
Very sweet. Many people want to eat the statue, but it's not allowed, of course. But we have another trophy here, which is the most important to Ronaldo, and I will show you. As I said before, we have more than 200 trophies here, and for Cristiano Ronaldo, the most important is this one. Follow me, please. This trophy, it has a special meaning to Ronaldo and for all the Portuguese people, because for the first time in history, Portugal conquered a Euro Cup. It was in 2016, Portugal beat France in the final, and according to Ronaldo, this is the most important trophy in his career. And we are very proud of him, of the trophy, of course. So we have here Ronaldo's first trophy, and he conquered when he was just 8 years old. So many people ask, what was Ronaldo's first trophy? And this is the one. It's original because he conquered in a local tournament when he was just 8. He was elected the best football player of that tournament. It means since 8 years old, Ronaldo started to collect trophies, which is amazing.
Super, super.
Where do they come from?
Serbia.
This trophy is crazy because it was given by Facebook company. It came straight from USA because Ronaldo was the first person to achieve 100 million followers. And it was back in 2014. At the moment he has more than 500 millions, which is unbelievable. And not just this trophy is important, is a different one, but also the Guinness World Records gave to Ronaldo, because Ronaldo at the moment is the player with more goals for the national team. So at the moment he has 129 goals for Portugal national team. And before, the record belonged to a player from Iran. He had 109 goals. So Ronaldo beat that record, and it's not every day that you have the Guinness World Record certificate. It's amazing. Ronaldo the best.
Šetao sam još dugo po muzeju i razmišljao koliko je samo talenta i truda potrebno da bi bio najbolji na svetu. 5 zlatnih lopti, 3 puta najbolji igrač Evrope, 4 zlatne kopačke na oko 1200 odigranih utakmica sa postignutih 850 golova. Zasluženo je jedan od najboljih igrača u istoriji fudbala. Pratite moj kanal, vidjet ćete još mnogo interesantnih stvari sa ostrva Madeira, a i ostatka sveta.